How to view and edit your driving history in Waze. Alright, let's jump right in. First thing first you want to do is open the Waze app on your phone. Now look at the three line at top left corner. Tap the gear icon to open settings. From settings, start scroll down and keep going until you find the option that says privacy. And under the activity section, you will see two options: navigation history, recent location. Let's start with navigation history. If it says your navigation history is not available, it means the app hasn't saved past route or the feature is disabled. Now go back and tap recent location. Here you will see all the places you have searched or visited recently. To remove one, tap the three dot menu. From the menu you will see remove. Tap confirm when prompted. If you want to stop Waze from saving history altogether, go back to navigation history. Need to clear everything at once. Look for an options like clear history or delete all. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.